So with the non-quarter option, Al, do you find that there are some pricing benefits to that?
Yeah, it's allowed me to continue to raise prices. And what you find is someone that's using their credit card, they don't care if the machine's half full, right? They're going to look, and I'm of the mindset, all of my big machines are closest to the door, because you know what? People don't want to walk. So if they walk in and they grab the biggest machines by the door and they know they're paying with their phone, it's not a cash transaction, so they don't see it as cash. So they'll just scan, and start. And I think that's the benefit of moving away from cash. I can tell you, when I'm trying to start a 60-pound machine with a handful of quarters and a couple of them get jammed, it's not fun. But watching someone scan it and start it in a matter of seconds, then, you know, and they see the smile on their face because now they hit the button and they walk out and they come back later, you know. So it's a different experience. It's a more pleasant experience, and the customer's not as price conscious when they make the decision using the card.
Absolutely. Did you have something to add, Matt? I wasn't sure.
Well, I can. One kind of anecdotal story, as I said, we also have wash, dry, fold, and the dry cleaning partnership. And one decision I made inside that side of the business was not to accept any more cash. I just decided we're open till 10 o'clock at night. I don't necessarily want to have cash in my office or my attendants having to deal with it. And it took a lot of stress off of my attendants. So how does that connect to the self-serve side? The self-serve customers will come in, well, I don't want to get $20 in quarters. I don't want to get $10 in coins. And then we'll direct them to the credit card. We'll say, hey, you can use your app if you have a smartphone, and you can put this connection on. And then also to Al's point about people pulling clothes out of the wash, I've just had people say, oh, I don't have any cash. They're going to get in the car and they're going to go off. So, well, we do have this other feature. And when they learn that, they're like, oh, that's fantastic. I've gotten nothing but positive feedback about adding that as a payment option.
Well, what's the statistic? Something like 92% of people own a smartphone. So it makes sense that would be an option that they want.